How to log in or sign in on Uphold. If you want to either log in or sign in to your Uphold account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure to launch the Uphold application, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. If you have not yet created an account, you can tap on the sign up button that you can see there, but if you have created an account, you can tap the login button located from the bottom. Over there, it will ask us to simply enter our email address and our password. So go ahead and then type in the email address you would have registered, then type in your password, and once done, tap the sign in button there to sign in. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password button there, then enter the email address you registered with, and it will send the email with instructions, and then you can reset your password. That's all it takes for us to reset our Uphold password and to log into our account as well. Hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.